Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, you will learn how to edit images in PDF files. There are times when we get PDF files with low quality photos. Improving the quality of an image in a PDF file is not straightforward. However, it is possible to edit an image by taking a screenshot, enhancing it in a photo editing application, and then copying and pasting it into your PDF document. You can also add some text to the image. For this tutorial, I am using the preview application which comes with every version of macOS. Let's get started. First, I'll double-click on my PDF file or right-click on it and select Open with Preview. As you can see, I have some text and 3 images in this file, but I am not happy with the quality of these photos. The first one looks flat. The second one looks dark, and the third one has a blue color cast. To fix these problems, I'll take a screenshot of the top image by holding down Shift plus Command plus 4 on my keyboard. The keyboard combo turns the cursor into crosshairs. Then I'll click and drag the crosshairs over the image area. Once I am happy with the selection, I'll release the mouse button and the screenshot will appear on my desktop. The process is the same for all the images. I have already taken screenshots of the other two to save time and shorten the video. I'll open the first image by right-clicking on it and selecting Open with Preview. Next, I'll click on Tools in the Preview menu bar and select Adjust Color. Here in this window, you have several options to make small changes to your image. From the top, you can use the 3 triangle sliders under the histogram to adjust the color by sliding the pointers to the right or left until you are happy with the result. Or click Reset All to start again. For a quick fix, click the Auto Levels button. If Auto Levels doesn't create the desired result, you can use the exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows sliders to adjust the lighting in your photo. This photo looks flat. To add a little life, I'll move the saturation slider to the right to increase the intensity of the colors and then increase the contrast. I am happy with the result. To paste the image into your PDF file, press Command plus A on your keyboard to select the entire image. You will see marching dashes around the image with 8 resizing handlers. Next, press the Command plus C keys to copy the image to the clipboard. Then paste the image over the original one by pressing the Command and V keys. After that, use the hand tool to move the picture around to ensure it has been pasted. Now press Command plus C again to copy the picture to the clipboard. Next, open your PDF file, or if it's already open, click on it to bring it forward. And press the Command and V keys to paste the picture into your PDF document. Then use the hand tool to reposition the image and handlers to resize it. I'll close this window. The second photo is dark. I want to make it brighter, so I will increase the exposure. I am happy with the result. The process of copying and pasting is the same for all the images. Command A to select the entire image, copy, and then paste it. Then copy again, and paste it into my PDF file. The third photo has a blue cast. To get rid of this blue color, I'll click on the eyedropper tool and select a neutral gray or white point in the photo. I click here on the cup, or you can click on a gray area. Okay, the blue cast disappeared, but the image looks dark. To brighten the image, I will increase the exposure. Next, I'll copy and paste the image into the PDF file. Copy again. And paste it into my PDF file. I delete this photo and close the window. If you want to add some text to your image, first click on the markup icon and then click on the text icon. Type in your text. Double-click on the text to select it and go to the text style to change the font size or the color. If you want to rotate the image, make sure the text box is selected. You should see the resizing handlers on both sides. Next, put two fingers on the trackpad to rotate the text. Finally, save your file or press the delete key on your keyboard if you change your mind and want to use a different picture, or type something else. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and I would appreciate it if you could click on the subscribe and like buttons to encourage me to make more videos for you. Thank you for watching.